Greetings everyone, I'm Emrata. This is our website exchangereferralcodes.com. Today I want to show you how we can buy Floki coin on Gate.io. It's so easy. Firstly, if you don't have account on Gate.io with commission discount code, you can create account on Gate.io. How? Firstly, on this page you should click Gate.io referral code. This is our Gate.io page. You can get information about Gate.io exchange on this page. This is your referral code in here. If you want, you can use this. If you want, you should click this banner. We clicked. Fill your form or code here and click next. Complete your KYC, deposit your money with buy crypto, credit card or bank transfer. Now, how we can buy Floki? This is Gate.io main page. We should click market. Search here. Write Floki. Floki USDT. Click. This is Floki page on Gate.io exchange. Red color sellers, green color buyers. How to buy Floki? It's so easy. In here, you should click. For example, 500 USA dollar, Tether, click buy. For sell, right here, and click sell. It's so easy. You need information about Gate.io exchange and Floki coin, you should visit our website. Wish you a good day, Emrata.